So what actually is Kubernetes? Now I'm going to split this into two. I'll start with things like where did it come from and what does the name mean. Then after that we'll talk about what it actually does and why we have it. So first up, Kubernetes was born at Google, but in the summer of 2014 it was open sourced and handed over to the Cloud Native Computing Foundation, which is part of the Linux Foundation. It is one of the biggest and the most important open source infrastructure projects on the planet. Like all the other cool projects at the moment, it is written in the Go language, and if you're hands on with the code and the likes, it lives on GitHub at Kubernetes/Kubernetes. For a very long time, like way before Docker even thought of bringing containers to the masses, Google was running its search, its Gmail, etc. on containers, and lots of them. Kubernetes comes from the Greek word meaning helmsman, and the logo here, obviously, that's from the helm of a ship. Another thing, you're probably going to see it shortened to this quite a lot. The idea being that the number 8 here replaces the 8 characters in between the K and the S. Next up, we'll talk about what actually Kubernetes is and what it does.